You wanna go see it? Go see it. It's your present, Caitlin.
No.
What is that?
No.
You're shy? Yeah. Look. Oh, you got a banana?
Pizza.
Pizza. You want to open it? You have to pull this. Pull. Oh. Oh, pizza's all done. Oh, be careful. It's hot. You got to use this, Caitlin. It's hot. Hot pizza. Hot pizza. Oh, your fingers are tough.
Oh, you know?
Can you pour me some tea? Can you give Daddy some tea?
Oh, nailed it.
Thank you for my tea. Can you pour some tea for you? Good job. Now let's make some tea. Here you go.
Clink.
Let's clink.
Clink.
Remember? This is the cat.
You don't use the iron. Okay, put it down. The tea.
Can you put some tea in your cup? Oh, good job! Tea! You put tea everywhere. Thank you. Can Daddy drink some tea now? Ah, that's good tea. Thank you.
Can you get your fish out now? I think it's done cooking. It's hot. Good. Yeah, you want to put it on your table? Yeah, your table right here. Good job, yummy. Okay, go back and cook your fish. Oh, hot. You cut your fish? That's smart. You're cooking it? Good job. Here, oh, good. What about the beaver? You're gonna give the beaver some tea. Good job. Thank you.